Hello, hello, hello. Today we're not playing Tornado Alley Ultimate, but we will be playing BABFT. Look at this. I built the structure already, and this is just the base. Let's see if it works or not, because I made it slim so that you can just so easy, like look at that. You can go left and right. You gotta go drive through these rocks. These small little rocks, which I made pass through it at the beginning. It's very easy. And now we have the flower part. Oh no! Oh no! I dropped through a rock. Oh no! Getting some damage. Oh! Oh no! Okay. What is that? Oh, it's a bowling. Bowling. Okay. Go there. No. Okay. Well, at least it passed. Oh my god. Go. No! No, 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 no. Oh no, my front left wheel. Ah, no! No. Okay, don't look through my... Oh no. Oh, I'm upside down now. I'm dead. Okay. I'm upright now. I don't even have the front wheels anymore. No! I'm dead! Oh! Oh no. I'm dying! No! Right, look. Let's upgrade our car. There we go. Let's save it in our slot. 3, 2, 1. I mean, it's still the same in the way how you drive it. Okay. Rocks at the beginning, it's quite easy. Not that much damage. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, we're not gonna... Oh, I hit a rock already. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Okay. No! Uh-oh. It's trying to hit us. Go, 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 go. Oh, no! No balls, no! 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 Oh, no. Oh dear. Part where we hit it. And oh, oh, good thing. Yeah, there you go. There. Yeah, yay! Flip us on. No! Oh no! Ah! Oh, the front wheel. That again. No! No! That's just my back wheel. Look at this. I'm just going like crazy. What am I doing anymore? Oh no! They're gone! This is the worst boat ever. Oh! Oh yeah. Space Invaders. Oh, at least I'm not dying, so I'm safe, right? Yay! I'm safe! But I'm 100% sure that we're not gonna make it to the end. Look at this boat! Oh! What is that? Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm inside black stuff. No, 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 no! I died! No. Fine, let's fix our boat again. Our personal best? I don't know. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. I put some like barriers just to prevent like the rocks hitting the tires. So I hope that adds like a little aerodynamicity stuff. Aerodynamics. No, not aerodynamics. It's like a protection. Like so, when I hit this rock, boom, bam! It doesn't hit the tire, but it hits the metal block. It's metal. Like yeah, it's metal. It's a strong block, anyways. So yeah, you see, look at that. It doesn't even hit it, right? And I'm also covered in metal, so I would call this safe. Okay, no, don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me. Okay, safe. No, hit me in the end. Oh, bash it, bash it. No, dash it. No, no, no. Okay, I'm going Sayonara. Bye bye, Space Invaders. Wow, I passed the personal best. Oh no, this is the personal best. Wow, look at this. This is so easy. Nothing breaking so far. Oh no, Squid Game. No! Oh, tsunami! Oh, look at what you've done. I'm dead now. Oh, kinda. And my front wheel was dead. My back wheel was dead. I cannot even control this anymore. Oh, great game. Look at this. This is so... Oh. Oh, it's trying to hit the back wheel. It's trying to hit me too. It's actually trying to target me. Oh my god, that was so close. Imagine this got disconnected. Oh. Oh, we're in the end. I guess this is where we say goodbyes, right? Yeah, this is where we say goodbyes. Yeah. Ish. Yeah, this is where we say goodbye. Oh, at least we made it like almost to the end. Like as you can see. I'm dead. Oh yeah, I'm dead. Oh, let's jump into this. Whoa, I can jump into this. Look at me! I look so horrible. Oh, try out this new boat. Oh yeah, one thing about this. Oh yeah, you know, it's hard to maneuver now, which is very bad for us. Uh-oh. Well, let's just try to maneuver it for once. Oh, we don't even hit the... Oh. Wait, what? Oh yeah, because the flower thing isn't there. It's just straight to the clock tower. And now that's a mushroom. Go, 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 go! Smurf! Let's go to the Smurf. Ah! Let's go to the Smurf village. Look at this. Bashing through some rocks. Well, at least I can... The thing is that it doesn't turn as much, but at least we can turn it. Like, and we can speed it up. Like there. I can't even turn back. Like, bam. And oh man. Okay, you have to. Yeah, there we go. You have to turn like you have to go to the back in order to turn. Oh wait. Look what we've done, game. Look what we've done. I'm gonna pass through some balls. No, 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 no! Why does it keep flying through that? That's so annoying. Oh god. I hate the bowling part. Oh, look at that. Well, at least the movie theater isn't here, so GG game. Okay, okay, go, no. Go, no. Go, no. You can do it. Yes. Oh, oh no, not the crocodiles. No. Go. Go, car, go, go, go. It's not the crocodiles again. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. No. Oh, we're dead. Oh, we're screwed, game. Game, look what you did. I'm gonna... Oh, I'm so gonna die from this. Oh no, never mind. I'm not. No, 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 no. Just send me to the back again. Set me up right. Oi, wait. No! 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 This is so bad. Well, now there's the crocodiles. Definitely add to like. I'm not gonna add it. I mean, like the back. Oh, there you go. It's much easier. Whoa, what in the world is that? An airplane? Did bro just build an airplane? That's hilarious. Oh my god! Me and this dude over here. I'm faster. I'm zooming. Oh no. Oh, I'm not zooming. But yeah, you must zoom to the crocodiles like ASAP. Like ASAP. It kills you like really fast. It has a high damage. Right, we're in the crystal. Ah, go. Go here, like Geometry Dash, and go here. Look! Can you stop doing that? Like, it's so annoying. It's so unfair. I don't like it. Oh, I'm hitting everything. Oh god. Oh god. It's killing me. It's killing me. Ah! No! Oh no! No, the crocodiles. Oh no, not Lacoste. Lacoste. Oh, the brand. Oh, trying to kill me. Ah! No! No! That's horrible. No! No! It's snapping my things. I'm dying from this. No! 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 Oh! God. Oh no, not potions. I'm allergic to potions. I'm standing on debris right now. Oh no! No. This is bad. Oh dear. This is bad. This is gonna be like a final thing after this is done with this video. Oh, okay. Oh, in the laundry. I don't think this boat will make it that far. No! Okay, this is the final boat for this video. This crystal section isn't that bad. Oh, I'm gonna hit. Oh! Okay. Go. No! Doesn't make that much damage though. I mean, like the front, yeah. Oh man. Oh, doesn't hit me anymore. Nice. Uh-oh. Go. Oh no. I don't think we can rush through this part. Like, this is impossible. No, Lacoste. No, run. No, me wheels. No, get out. Oh no, I don't want to die. I don't want to, for once. No. It's a solo mission. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. We're in the lab, we're over here. Potions. Our boat is broken. This is so horrible. And look at me! Where's my legs? And where is my hair? Where's my Santa hat? It's gone. Oh no. Please close. Close it. No. Don't kill me. No. We're gonna fall inside. No. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Well. Yeah. The water is safe. We can jump into here now. We're gonna hit more of these. After this we got the lighthouse part. Oh no. We're so good at that. Oh no. Oh, I see the rock already. Oh. Goodbye, fellow human. No! No, I don't want to say goodbye yet. No, it turned into a trapezium. Oh no, you have a thin layer strip. Thin strip, no! Oh, I'm so dead, no! Oh, I guess this wraps it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share this YouTube. And turn on the notification bell. Goodbye, see you next time.